Hey, what's going on with you? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe, get notified for more videos just like this. But today we're going to take a look at these P9 Max earphones. These probably are going to be not very good. They have Bluetooth 5.0, which is good, but they only give you the option for 3 to 4 hours of playtime. Now, these are going to be clones of the Apple version. These kind of mimic what Apple is offering, but you're going to be basically stunning. They're not going to be anything special. It's not going to be anything near the quality of Apple to any stretch of the imagination or anything like that. So these are just merely for design purposes and fashion, I guess. Alright, I almost got this thing open. Alright, so I did get like the green box. On here it says this is the P9 model on the top left hand corner. Then it says adopts 50mm hi-fi dynamic coil speaker and high dynamic sensitivity and high fidelity and other characteristics, and supports AAC and SBC advanced audio decoding. So those are really good frequency measures. I definitely like AAC and SBC as well. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these mint green versions. They also do come in red, black, emerald blue, pink, white. So just a variety of different colors, but I wanted to try out the green color. So this is what the box looks like right here, as you can see. So that's pretty cool. And let's go ahead and take a look at this box in a little bit more detail. So right now, if I slide this up, it should just come right out. Which way does it slide? I'm trying to do it without breaking it. Alright, so we have the top off of it right there. I'm gonna put that off to the side. It says right here, wireless stereo headset, enjoy music. So you get this piece on the top of it, put that on the side, and these are really lightweight. It feels like a toy. This box is completely plain, so there's nothing on the top of here, so just put that all off to the side. But these are these feel really cheap. I'm not gonna even lie to you. So in order to get this thing off, you basically gotta rip it. So let me see. Where's the knife? Cut that off. There we go. So as you can see, these are really, really lightweight. This thing rotates both ways. Wait, it just rotates one way like that. So when you put them on, they're gonna rotate out like that. And let's try out the mechanism right here. So this doesn't feel like real metal, that feels like plastic as well. So these are definitely plastic, these are definitely cheap. So that's how the most it would stretch. Let's put this on my head. Kind of feels cheap, it's gonna probably sound cheap as well. Let's go ahead and play a song or something like that, but let me just show you how the buttons look on these guys. These probably will work with Android and Apple as well, so that's the only thing that's gonna be good. But the battery life doesn't look like it's gonna be good. So right here we have plastic buttons. Yeah, really cheap. The cushions, the foam, this is like real foam, but it's not, it doesn't feel like it's quality at all. So you get a TFT card, which is cool because you can put that in there. You also have a micro USB. You have a 3.5mm headphone jack right here. Let me see which one is the power button. Oh, so the top one is the... I heard a voice come on just now, and you know, it does say that they're on. You can see a light flashing on the bottom. It doesn't tell me which one is left or right. Let me see. But I'm assuming it's this way. Okay, so now that those are on, let me go ahead and put some music on these and hit scan and see. It says like P right here, the letter P. Okay, so that was, it said that the Bluetooth device was connected successfully and a weird voice came on. It didn't sound high quality whatsoever. Actually, it sounds really cheap when I'm listening to it. Let's go ahead and play a song on here. Alright, so these don't sound good at all. I'm listening to it right now. And there's not that much bass, and the audio quality sounds terrible on these. They're not really good at all. Let me put on a different song. So they actually get pretty loud on here. Actually, these let me see. With this song, it's actually better. Hold on. Let me skip this song. So it's almost fully up. I can't hear what I'm saying right now. All right, let me watch a video and see if there's gonna be any playback on here. Let me see, check that out real quick. All right, so this is let me see. Let me just watch something that's on the home feed right here. All right, so let me just see if the lips will match the words.
Oh, it's a beautiful day, guys. Buds, tweeting, singing, butterfly full of we brought the sun over there. Woo!
All right, so the lips are matching the words perfectly. These headphones say they have AAC, SBS as well, so there's no latency when I'm watching this video on YouTube. Now, let me go into the camcorder and record myself, and I'll show you how the microphone sound while it's connected to the phone. So I'm gonna go into the front-facing camera right now, and you can see if I flip the video around, I can see myself. So let me hit record. Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Serrano. So this is how it would sound if I was recording myself. I'm gonna put in some background noise right here on YouTube. So let me just go ahead and click YouTube on my computer right now and hit NYC background. Okay, here we go. So click this button and turn on my Bluetooth speaker now. So that should be, I'm gonna put the volume all the way up. Okay, so now it's connected. So this is how it would sound if I was outside in New York City with the microphones turned on with these P9. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking through the microphones right now on them. So let me know how the microphones sound. So I'm gonna end the video right now. The sound on these is pretty decent. It's not like the best ever in the world. It's not something that, you know, I could recommend to anybody, but if you wanted to stunt a little bit and have headphones that kind of look like the Air Max, you know what I'm saying, the ones that the Apple made, you know, these definitely look like them. These are the P9 Max Bluetooth headphones. But let me play some music one more time, kind of do another audio test. So they're not really bad, they're not great. So the bottom one is back, this one is forward. And when you long hold them, you do the volume as well. So you get volume controls and you get pause and play as well. Alright, so I do kind of like that these have full volume range control on these, and they sit on your head really cool, just like this. But let me know what you guys think about the P9 Max Bluetooth headphones. But I'll get right back with you later, crew. Peace.